All right, what's up, y'all? As y'all can see, I am back, finally back in my office real quick. Just got back from a little quick vacation while we wait for the contractors to work on the house. And so, trying to catch up to all the things that's been going on back here at the office. But I want to say this, though. So, first off, right now, for those who wanted to partner with me, I want to let you know that I got 39 people already in there. Actually, myself, I'm counting myself, so that's actually 38 people. All right, so I got 38 now. I wanted to get to 50, y'all. So what we got 11 more, actually 12 more spots left. So let 12 more people get in. So basically what I'm gonna do is probably because by Sunday those 12 will get in. So I'm gonna stop the $2,000. So right now it's $19.99 to get in there for the cleaning business automation program. Though everybody getting cleaning business automation, you're basically gonna be my partner. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna all partner together, sell starter kits with accounts, and then what that basically is, but those will be apprentice programs, right? And so I'm going to show you how to set up your apprenticeship. You're going to provide accounts to people who want to get started in cleaning companies, and then they'll sub under you until they decide that, all right, I don't want to sub under you no more, or they might just continue to sub under you forever, however they want to do it, right? But these are to the people that want to partner with me. I already got 38 people in. I'm looking for about 12 more, so I'm leaving it at the $19.99 until I get 12 more. Once I get that 12 more, then I'm changing the price to 20 grand, what I really should be charging, right? The real value of it. And then I just wanted to, so the video, this video just to give you a heads up that don't keep waiting, don't watch, don't, you know what I mean? Just go ahead and get in there now while I'm being lenient, right? And letting the price be what it is. Then it's going to 20 grand. It will be a payment plan on 20 grand, but it's still going to be 20 grand nonetheless, because the amount of money that you're going to make by doing it the way that I'm trying to show you and be creating apprentice programs is going to change the entire game. The real goal here is we're going to all take over the country as a unit. All right. But anyway, so this is the fair warning. All right. So get in there while you can. Don't come to me next week talking about AJ. I wanted to get in, but I saw the video too late. That's up to you. I mean, that's on you. You should have had notifications on my YouTube channel, right? You should have been locked in. But anyway, so get in if you're ready. Now, for those who already did get in, here's the thing. All right, make sure number one that you go back to module 2 and really lock in and go over to make sure you got the gist of it, right? Next thing I need you to do is set up your web page, so the page that they're going to actually take action and buy from you, right? So they can get their kit and everything. And then once you set that up, use the template that I provided for you for the terms of service. I provide you with a template for that. Open the one that I gave it to you, click file, make a copy, and then you can edit it and turn it into your own, right? Put your logo up there instead of mine and all of that. And then once you do that, send me the link to your landing page so that way I can connect my website to yours and we can start moving forward and we can offer this program all over the country. All right, so that's the next step for anybody who already did get in it, and for those who haven't, you're still trying to figure out if you want to do it. I'm telling you now, just go ahead and do it now. All right, because after I get these next 12 people, I'm changing it to 20 grand from 2 grand, so I can really charge what I'm supposed to get from it. Because anyway, I ain't got to go in all the detail about it, but anyway, and that's what it is. But I want to give y'all this quick update. Shout out to everybody who did want to partner with me, and then for those who are getting started, we still got the regular starter kits available at cleaningbusinessstarterkit.com. You can get that. But if you wanted to wait for the apprenticeship where we actually let you subcontract under me or whoever local area that you decide to buy in, if you're waiting for that, that's cool. We're going to be launching those like ASAP. All right, between this weekend, early next week, you'll start to see more and more different locations pop up with that subcontractor program available. But again, if you just want, just to start your company, you want to skip the apprenticeship part, please do. By all means, I always tell y'all, you really don't need to subcontract. Anyway, you can get the whole bag by simply just going out there getting your own contracts. I show you how to do that in the regular starter kit and the regular starter course that comes with the starter kit. But for those of y'all who still want that guaranteed money back for the money that you invested in, I understand why you would want to subcontract. All right, so that's why we're setting this program up for y'all. So again, take action. If you want to partner with me, go ahead and get that cleaning business automation. The link will be in the comments of this video and in the description of this video. And then for those who already got in, set up your landing page so we can get rolling. I'm going to connect my site to yours and let's get it.